The whole reason why I got these scratching posts is because of the fact that our male cat has decided to start scratching our new couch, and that is not okay. I bought this 2-pack of cat scratchers and just opened the box, and this is how everything comes in. I was scared that they didn't include instructions, but I did find the instructions in between the scratching pads. I'm really happy that the screwdriver comes in the package. There are no pre-drilled holes in this middle section, so it'll be interesting to see how I get everything to line up. The screws actually went in fairly easy despite not having pre-drilled holes on that portion. Here's the final product against the couch corner, so then that hopefully our male cat will start using the scratching post instead of our couch.